If you're a YouTuber, you're living in the most powerful moment in internet history. For the first time ever, one person can run an entire YouTube production, scripting, voice, editing, thumbnails, captions, analytics, all without a team. How? AI. In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just helping creators, it's replacing whole production departments. What used to take a week can now be done in a few hours. So today, I'll show you the best AI tools for YouTube creators, the exact stack that full-time YouTubers and faceless channels are using to grow faster, post more, and make real money. And don't worry, every tool I mention has a free trial through the affiliate links below, so you can test them yourself right after this video. Let's go. Tool 1. ChatGPT, the brain behind every script. It all starts with your script. ChatGPT is still the most powerful writing engine on Earth, if you know how to prompt it. You can feed it your niche, your tone, and even your past scripts to train it to sound like you. Try this prompt. Write a 1,700-word YouTube script about futuristic AI jobs in a cinematic and motivational tone. Add curiosity hooks, storytelling, and short, punchy sentences. Boom! You've got a complete script that sounds human, paced perfectly for voiceover. Then ask ChatGPT to create timestamps, segment titles, and description keywords. And if you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or use the free version with web access, you can even get real-time data to make your videos trend-ready. Link below to get started with ChatGPT, the first tool every YouTuber needs. Tool 2. 11 Labs, your perfect voice. If you don't like recording your voice or speaking English isn't your first language, this is your solution. 11 Labs lets you create ultra-realistic, human-like AI voices. You can even clone your own voice for free or generate new ones that fit different moods: deep, energetic, calm, cinematic. Imagine this. You run 5 different YouTube channels, each with a unique voice. One sounds like a movie trailer. One sounds friendly and casual. One sounds robotic and futuristic. That's all possible with 11 Labs. You just paste your ChatGPT script, pick a voice, and export the file. Affiliate link below. Test their voice lab for free and see how close AI can sound to you. Tool 3. Pictory. Turn text into video. Next, visuals. Because what's a script without something to show on screen? Pictory turns your written script into a full video, automatically. You paste your text and it matches every line to stock clips, music, and captions. You can swap clips, add transitions, and export in 1080p. This is a game changer for faceless YouTube channels. You can literally produce 3 to 5 videos per week without ever touching a camera. And it gets better. Pictory now integrates with 11 Labs, so your AI voice fits perfectly with the visuals. Use my affiliate link below for a free trial. Try generating your first full video today. Tool 4. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. If you're not repurposing content, you're leaving money on the table. Opus Clip takes your long videos and automatically cuts them into short viral clips. It finds emotional peaks, adds subtitles, zooms, and suggests hooks like, I just changed everything. Here's how. With Shorts, TikToks, and Reels dominating the algorithm, Opus Clip helps you triple your output without extra work. Here's a pro tip. Make a long-form video with Pictory, then feed it into Opus Clip to generate 10 to 15 short videos. That's 15 new uploads from one script. Affiliate link below. You'll get free trial credits to test your first short-form batch. Tool 5. Canva Magic Studio. Design everything. If your thumbnail doesn't grab attention, your video is dead. That's why Canva Magic Studio is essential for creators in 2025. You can generate thumbnail backgrounds, logos, banners, overlays, and even full brand kits with AI. The Magic Resize tool lets you adapt designs across platforms instantly, from YouTube to Instagram to TikTok. Need inspiration? Ask Canva's AI. Create a thumbnail template for a tech YouTube channel with dark colors and bold fonts. It'll give you multiple templates ready to edit. Combine that with your pictory visuals, and your channel will instantly look professional. Try Canva Magic Studio through my affiliate link. You'll get access to premium templates and extra credits. Tool 6. Notion AI, your YouTube command center. Every YouTuber needs a system because consistency beats creativity. Notion AI is your all-in-one command center. Use it to manage video ideas, upload schedules, affiliate tracking, sponsorships, and analytics. Here's how I use it. One page for upcoming scripts, one page for affiliate products, a board for video progress with statuses, scripting, voiceover, editing, upload. Notion AI helps you stay organized, plan collaborations, and even auto-summarize YouTube analytics each week. Use the affiliate link below to try it. It's free to start, and you'll never lose track of an idea again. Tool 7. VidIQ and TubeBuddy, growth through data. Finally, analytics. Because YouTube isn't random, it's math. VidIQ and TubeBuddy give you the data you need to grow faster. They analyze your competitors, show which keywords are trending, and even rate your titles and thumbnails for click potential. Want a title that actually gets clicks? Use vidIQ's AI title generator. Example, type AI tools 2025, and it gives you these 7 AI tools will make you rich in 2025. With this data, you stop guessing and start growing. Both tools have free trials linked below through my affiliate links. So here's your full AI YouTube toolkit. ChatGPT for ideas and scripts, 11 Labs for your voice, Pictory for videos, Opus Clip for shorts, Canva for design, Notion for management, vidIQ and TubeBuddy for growth. You don't need a team. You don't need luck. You just need tools and consistency. All links are in the description, with free trials through my affiliate links. And if you want my step-by-step system for using these tools to build real income, download my free guide, 10 AI Tools That Make Money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.